What's up guys, this is Anime with Prince and today we are going to do What If Asta Had Haki part 1. So let's get started quickly. So first of all, Asta would have Haki and how he would have Haki is actually pretty similar. So you see that in the universe of Black Clover, like there's something called, like in every anime it's called character development, but it plays a major part in Black Clover. So now what happens is that in Black Clover, as you character develop, as your will increases, as you are in tough situation and want to win, you get a new spell. Basically, you break your limit. Basically, this is the power that every shonen protagonist have, but this time everyone has it in a weaker version. So basically, this Asta would be born with no magic, as his mother would absorb his life force and magic even in his wound. But since he was a son of his mother, obviously, he had some kind of mutation which kept his life force in his body, and his life force kind of mutated. Since Asta had no magic, his other physical traits would be blessed. His physical strength would be immense. His five senses, his every sense other than mana sense would be on a whole another level because of the fact that he did not have magic. He had no mana, obviously, so there would be no magic sensing. But other than that, all his senses would be super tough, and his rate of growth, not physical growth, I mean strength and growth, will be very great. When he was 4 years or 5 years old, I think, when he saved Yuno, he finally accepted the fact that he had no mana. This was a great character development. Even though Asta did not have magic, this does not mean that he does not have the power to grow through character development and will increase. Now his determination would rise every year, every second that he was training. And then finally, this would let him awaken a new power within him. You see the mutation that happened in his life force, this energy that he had, it was basically increasing every year and being completed. And finally, it formed in Haki. When he was 13 years old, he was fighting a bear basically. No, he was 12 years old. Yes, let's say he was 12 years old. A bear, like how boars are in the Black Clover universe who have fire on them. Basically, this bear is the same, but instead of fire, he has lightning on him. Especially his nails, they were charged up with lightning. And he was attacking Asta. Asta's swords were not doing very well. This sword, by the way, Asta gained from a blacksmith. Asta basically saved this blacksmith's life from a spider, a giant spider with let's say fire all over his body. Asta saved him, and hence this blacksmith gave Asta katana when Asta was 2 months ago. 2 months ago, yeah, not yes. When Asta was no, not when Asta was, just 2 months ago, he gained this katana, basically a curved sword which this blacksmith created on the basis of a certain buff captain. So yeah, and Asta would be given this katana, which now he is fighting this bear. He did not want to lose. He could not lose. He had to become the Wizard King. And as the turret, purple energy started encasing his sword and his hands were encased in something black with purple energy protruding out of it. So over his swords, he would quickly cut the nails of the bear, jump up, kick the bear in his face, slash the bear and pierce him, then eat some part of his body as much as he wanted. Then he would take the other part, the flesh and bone, to the blacksmith. The blacksmith was basically this was very hard. This bear, it was a special kind of bear with really hard muscles. I mean, not muscles, sorry, really hard bones. Basically, next Asta would defeat some boars and some other stuff and some other things and bring their bones, and the blacksmith would start creating. The hammer from which blacksmith created these weapons would be encased in Haki, armament Haki of Asta, which he was still learning, but remember the feeling of how he used it. And the materials that he was using to create it, like the bones, they would also be encased in armament Haki. So when these three swords were completed, they were already black without even using a black metal or armament Haki. And they would be really bonded to Asta, and none of them would even have a drop of magic in them, even though the materials they used to create it were basically bones and flesh of animals which had a lot of mana. So yeah, and these would be completely black and they would be completely bonded to Asta. The feeling of Asta having no magic and the determination to defeat magic even though he did not have magic plus his mutated body and mutated energy would create Haki, and Haki in this world would have a special ability of cutting magic and reflecting it. So basically he also had anti-magic. His Haki had the properties of anti-magic. Now there's a time skip of 2 years. Asta is 15. He has mastered his Haki to the point he has mastered his armament Haki, and he basically could use ki. Even though Yami has not taught him, he basically could use ki, and through his increased sensing abilities, his ki was even better than how it was in the original. Plus his Haki, which Haki, observation Haki would increase this to a whole another level. And he has shown signs of Conqueror's Haki, but it has not been confirmed is he have it or not. But of course he has it. But let's just say for now he has not completely awakened it, but shown signs of it, like little bit signs of it. Sometimes when he gets bloodlusted, his like Haki starts pouring out, and that time he awakens his like his Supreme King's colors Haki or the Conqueror's Haki, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, now it's time for the Grimvar ceremony. Asta would have no Grimvar, and by the way, his physical strength is insane, and so is his speed. He's already faster than light, and he can create shock waves through just pure slashes. Basically similar to let's say Zoro, and he can use a 3-sword style, but his own version. Basically he used 2 swords, and he thought it was not enough to challenge Matrix, so basically he used another a third sword. And Asta's rate of growth is insane, and the ability that I told you about having increasing strength through the power of will and character development, Asta has it on a different level than most people. Like it is almost on the level of Kirito's incarnation. Like how Kirito's incarnation is on a whole another level than everyone else. Just like that, this ability of growth through character development and will is also on a whole another level than everyone else, because of the fact that he's the main character obviously in this world. So yeah, and in the Grimvar ceremony there would be no, he would first gain no Grimvar and ask why did not he have a Grimvar. The one who explained all of this would say that try next year. Asta would be confused, not because he was sad that he had no Grimvar, but he was sad because he could not enter the Magic Knights, meaning he could not become the Wizard King, as you need a Grimvar to do all that stuff. And then Yuno would get a 4-leaf Grimvar and say, I'll become the Wizard King. As Yuno was going off, Asta would say, no, I'll become. And everyone would start laughing. Asta would feel like really terrible, but Asta would be strong-willed and would shout, I'll become the Wizard King. And then as before even everyone had a chance to say something to Asta or shout even more, black energy would start erupting from the side of this whole Grimvar ceremony place. This place from the side. Everyone would see a black Grimvar, a dirty black Grimvar which would go up in the sky. And the dirty black Grimvar would actually start getting clear. The dirt would start getting off, and the blackness could be seen clearly. And in the middle, there would be a 5-leaf Grimvar, and everyone would be shocked. And this Grimvar was emitting blackish reddish energy. By the way, it has no sword of Lix. This is Lix Grimvar, and in it it's Libe, the devil of Asta, but it does not have any swords in it, because when Lig died, let's just say that all the swords also died with him. So this is just an empty sword Grimvar which has now turned into anti-magic Grimvar. As it would go to Asta, Asta's like Haki would start erupting. Since Asta had anti-magic properties, this Grimvar would be drawn to him. And basically Asta's Haki would take over this Grimvar. And from being a black Grimvar, purple designs would start appearing in this Grimvar around the black, like how every Grimvar had a different design, but Asta's had no design. Finally it would change, and purple designs would start coming in Asta's Grimvar, and the reddish blackish energy would turn into purple blackish energy, and Asta would say, 4-leaf Grimvar, say check it out, I have one more leaf than you. And Asta and would say, do you even know what the meaning of a 5-leaf Grimvar? And Asta would say, no. And then the one who just told Asta that he could not try next year would say, in a 4-leaf Grimvar there is an addition of luck, but in a 5-leaf Grimvar there is a devil. At least you would think, you would not want to scare everyone. And then he would say, everyone calm down, calm down. Looks like Asta also get a Grimvar. Now this ceremony is over. Most people would get scared of Asta because he had a 5-leaf Grimvar. Then both Asta and Yuno would go out of the church, and then the nobles would challenge Asta and Yuno. And then one noble would use a fire spell, and Yuno would casually stop it with his tornado even without using his Grimvar. The nobles would be shocked, and then a chain mage would appear, Rechi basically, and he would basically first defeat the nobles and then capture Yuno. But luckily Asta was able to dodge it. And then Asta would say, knock it off. And then Rechi would say, I'll be taking those 4-leaf and 5th-leaf Grimvar. Don't worry, I'll be using good use of them. They will be very high price in the market. And then Asta would say, no way. And then Rechi would say, you might have a 4-leaf and a 5-leaf Grimvar, but you just received it. I am an experienced former magical knight. You can't defeat me. And Asta would say, we'll see about that. Asta would basically remove a knife and he would cover it with Haki and say, I can defeat you with this knife, and would start running. And Rechi would say, the nerve. And he would quickly attack with his chain magic, and Asta would basically just use a slash. So will slash the air, and a purple slash would go, basically an air slash covered with Haki, and he would say, Phoenix slash, and the slash would cancel out all the chains that he threw at him, and basically slash the chain mage in a horizontal slash, and it would completely cut him, and he would basically not die, but he would get unconscious. Then Rechi would get surrendered to the magic knights for imprisonment. Asta and Yuno would bump fist and promise that one of them will become the Wizard King, and they both are rivals. Now there's a 6 months time skip. Asta has basically trained with that red-haired guy, whatever his name was, from the Diamond Kingdom fugitive, that red-haired swordsman. He would train with him, and his 3 swords, those three purple blackish swords that Asta carried, would actually go inside the Grimvar of Asta somehow, some way. One day when he was training, those 4 swords would be caught inside the Grimvar, and when they get removed from the Grimvar, their color would be even a little more different. They were like purple blackish, but now the color is different. Basically, Enma has become green and black, instead of green and purple, it became green and black. Then there is Shunsui, which was purplish blackish, would become purple black. One side being black and one side being purple with red outlining in between. Basically, it looks the same as the Shunsui that was in the original anime of One Piece. The anime of One Piece, not original anime, what I'm talking about. And then the last sword, which is Kitetsu, would basically become black and blue, one side being black and one side being blue. So all 3 of them were basically poured with anti-magic of the pure anti-magic. And Asta's Haki was complete form of Haki, but Asta's anti-magic was not completed yet. But through the contact of the anti-magic that was released by the Grimvar, Asta's anti-magic that was inside his body basically completely evolved and grew in his true form and mixed with Haki completely. So now Asta's Haki is fully developed, and it could also cancel out magic 100%. By the way, there's still difference between the anti-magic of Asta and the anti-magic of Devil, other than the fact that his anti-magic also had Haki in it. Basically, his anti-magic was Haki with anti-magic properties, whereas the Devil's was pure anti-magic. So basically, it was like having a normal mage, how he has spirits. So basically, spirit magic is similar to the normal magic, but it is a little stronger. The same as with the devil. So the devil basically in this case, instead of the one who is giving Asta his anti-magic power, is basically a spirit. Not literally a spirit, but basically it's kind of like a spirit. But of course, anti-magic devil is not helping Asta. since Asta had asked this Grimward chose Asta and it belongs to Asta, not the anti-magic devil. He just lives inside of it. So that's it for now. Asta would basically get 2 more weapons, a spear. No, he only has these 3 swords currently, and the next will. This is all for now. Please share, like, and subscribe, or like, share, and subscribe, doesn't really matter. Just do it, please. And afterwards, also check out my other videos. I've been thinking of uploading some more videos, but I think I'm going to upload videos not after like 1 week or more. This time I'm not just going to upload them again and again. That's why for a little bit time I have not uploaded videos. I decided that I'll upload by waiting a little, like not taking a big break but not a small break either. So yeah, this is the video, and the next video would come out at least after 1 week. It's part 2. 100% would come after 1 week. And what if Asta had fire magic? If no, sorry, not Asta had fire magic. If you want another part of what if Asta had demon light magic, or any of my other videos like what if Asta had Nen, so please comment down below and I will send it to you. And if any of you want a what if Naofumi part, like I have not made any video on the shield hero, and if you want I can give you that, or if you want a discussion video I can even bring you that, even though I have only made one. So bye for now, and please tell in the comments anything else you want.